For centuries, one region of the Atlantic Ocean has refused to be understood, a place where ships vanish without warning, where aircraft disappear from clear blue skies, where distress signals fade into silence. This place is the Bermuda Triangle, and despite decades of investigation, advanced technology, and countless explanations, it remains unsolved. When evidence is missing, theories rush in to fill the void. And nowhere is this more true than the Bermuda Triangle. Over the years, explanations have ranged from scientific to speculative, from carefully calculated to wildly imaginative. Some appear reasonable, some stretch the limits of belief, but all share one thing in common: none can be proven. One of the earliest and most persistent theories involves magnetic anomalies. According to this idea, unusual variations in Earth's magnetic field exist within the Bermuda Triangle. These anomalies could interfere with compasses, navigation systems, and even modern avionics. Pilots have reported instruments spinning without reason. Sailors have described compasses pointing nowhere meaningful, navigation readings suddenly contradicting reality. If a crew loses its sense of direction, even briefly, the consequences can be catastrophic. But here is the problem. Extensive scientific studies have failed to find any magnetic force strong enough to cause such extreme effects. Earth's magnetic field fluctuates across the globe. The Bermuda Triangle is not unique in this regard, and magnetic interference alone cannot explain ships vanishing without wreckage. The theory sounds convincing, but it remains unproven. Another theory looks not to the sky, but to the depths below. The ocean floor contains vast reserves of methane gas trapped beneath layers of sediment. Under certain conditions, this gas could be released suddenly, erupting upward through the water column. If enough methane rises at once, it could reduce water density dramatically. In theory, a ship caught above such an eruption would lose buoyancy and sink almost instantly. No time for a distress call, no debris left behind. It sounds terrifying, and laboratory experiments suggest it could be possible. But once again, the evidence falls short. No confirmed methane eruption has ever been directly linked to an actual disappearance in the Bermuda Triangle. No recorded event, no physical proof, only possibility. For years, rogue waves were dismissed as maritime folklore, stories told by sailors, tales exaggerated by fear, until science proved them real. Rogue waves are massive walls of water that appear without warning, sometimes reaching heights capable of engulfing even the largest ships. Modern satellites have confirmed their existence, so could a rogue wave be responsible? Perhaps. A ship struck head-on by such a wave could be overwhelmed in seconds, but questions remain. Would a rogue wave leave no wreckage at all? No oil slick? No floating debris? History suggests even the most violent storms usually leave something behind. The Bermuda Triangle often leaves nothing. Some researchers argue the answer is far less mysterious. Human error, misread charts, fatigue, poor judgment, overconfidence. The Bermuda Triangle lies within one of the busiest shipping and flight corridors in the world. More traffic means more accidents. From this perspective, the mystery is statistical, not supernatural. But human error alone struggles to explain complete disappearances. Even mistakes tend to leave evidence, and in many cases that evidence never appears. Another modern theory suggests rare atmospheric conditions. So-called electronic fog or sudden electromagnetic disturbances could disrupt communication and navigation systems. Pilots might lose contact with ground control. Aircraft instruments could malfunction simultaneously. Visual references might vanish in seconds. Some pilots have reported sudden cloud formations that seem to appear out of nowhere, disorienting and blinding. Yet once again, no definitive proof exists. No instrument readings, no repeatable measurements, just eyewitness accounts. Then the theories take a darker turn. Some believe the Bermuda Triangle is affected by time distortions, moments where reality briefly fractures, ships and planes slipping into another time or another dimension. Crews experiencing missing hours, clocks behaving erratically, journeys ending far from their intended destination. These stories are fascinating and deeply unsettling, but they exist entirely outside scientific validation. No experiment has ever confirmed time behaving differently in this region. The theory remains imagination without evidence. Others look beneath the waves for answers. Some claim massive underwater formations, natural or artificial, exist beneath the Bermuda Triangle. Ruins, pyramidal shapes, remnants of lost civilizations. Perhaps these structures emit unknown energy. Perhaps they interfere with navigation. But every major survey of the ocean floor has failed to confirm such claims. No ancient machines, no hidden cities, only rock, sand, and darkness. The most extreme explanations point beyond Earth itself. Some believe the Bermuda Triangle is a point of extraterrestrial activity, UFO sightings, abduction theories, advanced technology beyond human understanding, ships and aircraft taken, not destroyed, removed. But extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and so far, there is none. Every theory offers a fragment of possibility, but none provide the full picture. Some explain sinking ships, but not missing planes. Others explain disorientation, but not total absence. Some fit isolated cases, but not the pattern. The Bermuda Triangle refuses to be simplified. And perhaps that is the real reason it remains unsolved. The ocean does not explain itself. It never has. Wrecks are buried beneath miles of water. Currents scatter debris across impossible distances. Time erases evidence. What sinks into the deep often stays there. And the Bermuda Triangle is vast. Larger than many countries, deeper than most exploration can reach. Even with satellites, sonar, and modern science, much of it remains unseen. After centuries of speculation, investigation, and debate, the truth remains elusive. No single theory stands above the rest. No explanation answers every question. The Bermuda Triangle is not a solved mystery. It is a reminder that the world still holds places beyond our control, beyond our understanding, beyond our certainty. Perhaps the most unsettling truth is this: the Bermuda Triangle does not need a supernatural explanation to be terrifying. The fact that it remains unexplained is enough. Because somewhere between science and speculation, between reason and imagination, the truth still waits, hidden beneath the waves, unseen, unanswered. And until that day comes, the Bermuda Triangle remains exactly what it has always been, still unsolved.